Let's discover how to derive the famous formula for the area of a circle. We have a circle with radius r, and we want to find a formula for its area. The key insight is to divide the circle into many small sectors. Imagine cutting a pizza into many slices. Each sector is like a thin slice. Here we divide the circle into 8 equal sectors, like cutting a pizza into 8 slices. The more sectors we create, the better our approximation becomes. With 16 sectors, we get an even better approximation. Now comes the clever part, rearranging these sectors. We arrange the sectors alternately, some pointing up and some pointing down. We arrange the sectors like this, alternating between pointing up and pointing down. When we arrange them this way, they form an approximate rectangle. Let's find the dimensions of this approximate rectangle. The width is half the circumference, which equals pi r, and the height is the radius r. The width of our rectangle is half of the circle's circumference. The full circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, so half of that is pi r, which becomes our width. The height of our rectangle is simply the radius r. Now we can calculate the area using the rectangle formula. The area of a rectangle equals width times height. Substituting our values, area equals pi r times r. This simplifies to pi r squared, which is our circle area formula. So the area of a circle with radius r is pi r squared. Let's understand why this method actually works. As we increase the number of sectors to infinity, our approximation becomes exact. With 32 sectors, the wavy edge becomes almost straight, approaching a perfect rectangle. As n approaches infinity, the wavy edge approaches a perfectly straight line. The curved edges of our sectors straighten out into the sides of a perfect rectangle. Let's verify our formula with a specific example. Let's take a circle with radius 5 units. Here's our circle with radius equal to 5. Using our formula, area equals pi times 5 squared. This gives us 25 pi, which is approximately 78.54 square units. Let's summarize the derivation of the circle area formula. First, we divide the circle into many thin sectors. Second, we rearrange these sectors to form an approximate rectangle. Third, the rectangle's width equals half the circumference, which is pi r. Fourth, the rectangle's height equals the radius r. Finally, the area equals width times height, giving us pi r squared. And that's how we derive the beautiful formula for the area of a circle. A equals pi r squared.